Morning all. Right. I think you must know by now. Coffee. Oh. Number 5, by the way. Can't quite stick number 6. Probably a bit too strong, but number 5, love it. Right. I have been a bit lazy and not gone out and bought a load of eyelashes. So I'm down to my last pair of eyelashes. So I'm trying to think a little bit different today. So all I've got is this very fine pair of eyelashes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take the edge there and just with the tweezers just bend an edge into it. Because the plan, you can create the illusion of sort of the cat's eye look. Just think Julie Newmar, show my age. And if your eyes are very level, straight on or even down, you want to get that wispy going up appearance. So you've got your false eyelashes and you want to start at the inner edge and sweep up. So usual thing again, apply some glue on the eyelash, apply glue on the upper eyelid. There we go. Just give that a second. Just go a little bit tacky. Can't get those tacky personality jokes in. Oh, Christ, I'm gluing my fingers together here. And then just there we go. That's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. So that's an improvement. Now, the difference that I'm going to do this time is I bought some of these individual lashes earlier, some weeks ago. I was going to try to dual purpose them and use them as lower lashes. Didn't work out. Not with these ones, way too long, because I bought the super ultra thick long black, and believe me, they are. So the premise of using them for lower lashes was just like, no, that's not going to work. So that's out the window. So today I get to try them on upper. So back with the glue. Let's see how much I can mess this up. One down, two down, going for a third. Oh, that's stuck pretty damn quick. Only looking at doing the outside edge really here. Thicken up the outside edge, get it all gloriously. Okay, let's look in the part. Now, little dabs of glue over the top. There we go. Actually, while I'm here, lower eyelashes. So, not going to do a video on both sets of eyelashes. I'm just going to do one eye and then move on. So, as before, got the eyelash, just applying some adhesive, just regular dry as black adhesive that I've got out of a local makeup shop. Does the trick really well. Some adhesive under the eye. Let it dry out just for a second. So they have the eyelash, the lower eyelash. Maybe you want to come under your own lash. You do not want to be pressing your own lashes down and then they'll ping it right up. So under you go, just hold it there just briefly, it's in place. Inside corner first, outside corner second. As I've mentioned before, you do not want to do the outside corner. You'll create a tension on the eyelash and it will flick out from the inside, and that wet glue will invariably ruin your makeup. Which is about as infuriating as you can get. And the good thing about this eyelash glue, this particular one, what's it called? Just lash adhesive, so it's as generic as you can get. You can use it just to tidy up your own makeup and just dab around the edges and just get it nice and neat. There we go. Absolutely gorgeous. And then just to deepen it off, some aqua black on the top, just to blend it in. There we go. So now comes the mascara. Just want to use the mascara just to glue your own eyelashes, which you should have mascaraed earlier. Glue those eyelashes together. So your own eyelashes, what you've got with the false eyelashes, just be very gentle here. So I used a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 individual lashes to enhance the outer edge corner there. So that's looking absolutely gorgeous. Right. I've yet to get dressed. God knows what I'm going to wear. Something very sexy, I hope. See you in a moment.